Hello and welcome. I'm Sean Calico, part of the sales team here at Caravans. Just want to give you a quick walk around tour of the Swift Elite 480 2022. So sit down and enjoy. So here you have the Caravan, so the Elite 480 2022. Obviously based on the Challenger 480. Now again, we do put our own spin. Again, with the side decals changed, obviously with the Elite badging. Again, obviously in terms of changing with the side decals. You've also as well got your ATC trailer control, so again just for a safer tow, which also then put your carbon fibre front lockers and then also as well your chrome grab handles. A few extras that we do apply again as part of the dealer special. So again, with regards being bespoke to ourselves, is your external gas, your external 230 volt socket, and then also as well your entertainment hub, which again includes your TV section, again points, but obviously a triple arm TV bracket. Thing that does come included obviously on the Elite range is we do include Alco wheel locks as standard, and then just as part of on the main habitation door, again it does include obviously the bin as well. You will notice obviously heavy duty corner steadies. Just moving to the rear, it's then got in preparation for the bike racks. So should you wish to purchase to be able to add an additional bike rack, you can obviously get a price naturally through our shop as well. So hope you're enjoying it so far, and what we'll do now is move on to the interior. So moving on to the interior, so again as you're walking in the main habitation door, you've then got the mirror as you're walking in. Your bathroom door just to the right, and obviously just straight opposite you've then got your tool fridge. So again, with your tool fridge, you've got opening both sides, so again Dometic, and it does have obviously again you've got your interior shelving, salad tray, and then just on top there you've got your freezer compartment. As I like to show, obviously in terms of cupboards and storage, plenty of storage going across. And then just underneath, I'll go back to front, we'll go from the bathroom. So again, just going in, so you've got your main sink, and then obviously with the shower, it does have obviously the section here of which to be able to slide across, so plenty of room. From a storage point of view, so again with the Aldi tank is housed, again in terms of the shelving just underneath there's plenty of room. Main toilet area, towel ring, and just a little bit of a shelf just above the window. It does come with the pleated blinds. And now if we turn around through, you can see the main living area. Again, looks absolutely stunning. Again, just to the left, nice little bit of table storage area, again to be able to put things on. Again, that main cupboard section there. Drawer to pull it out. Well, there's plenty of room there. Your sockets, TV ports, LED underlights, plenty of storage with regards to the overhead lockers. Just moving on, obviously in terms of your control panels, so your main control panel with the Aldi, again your fire angel, and again your alarm. Just on there with regards to the seating, again lovely oatmeal colour. Just above, you notice there obviously where the radio, so again 2022 has gone to the standard radios. Again that will be fitted upon collection, and then just on that front locker itself as well. Just above, so again you've got your panoramic roof, again with your pleated blinds. Lovely Elite styling. And again, just above, And your pleated blinds cover all your fly blinds. Cushions, again double-sided. And again, in terms of those on the curtains, nice little, like I say, tinted gold. Section just on the kitchen, so it's again just looking across in terms of your storage. So just underneath the sink, obviously there we've put in your cutlery. And plenty of storage again underneath. Do pull out. Got your sink, again just on the kitchen surface, and obviously with your splashback, just finish it off really nicely. Again, as I mentioned there, you've got your fly blinds or you've got your pleated blinds. Free gas ring, and then your electric. You've then got your main grill, and then your oven, again one tray. Storage just up above, so again where your control panel for your solar, plates and your glasses, and then also as well your microwave. If you do have any questions at all, always keen to be able to help discuss, but I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour of the Elite 480. Your video tour. I'm sure you'll agree it's absolutely stunning van. Please feel free to contact a member of the sales team on 01476 560 599, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.